So I had like 3 ice packs and like 4 ice wraps, and I wrapped up my ankle, my leg, and everything. In the middle of the night, it felt like somebody was just twisting the bone.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the Rise of Railroad and the Edison locomotive. For your safety, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Be certain to keep your arms and legs, and especially your head, inside the train at all times. Also, please avoid eating, smoking, or drinking anything except water while on the train. We're starting out on a complete circle of Greenfield Village, 2.5 miles of track. It'll take us a half hour to get back here to the main gate. Greenfield Village is divided into historic districts. I'll point them out as we go along. Right now we're leaving the Firestone train station in the working farm district, going into the Henry Ford Model T district. The white farmhouse is the Ford farm from Springwell Township, Michigan, built in 1861. That is where our founding father, Henry Ford, was born in July of 1863, 150 years ago next month. Then there's Main Street with the historic commercial buildings, like the Wright Brothers Bicycle Shop from Dayton, Ohio, where the first flying machine was built, and the Ford Motor Company. Directly in back of the Ford Motor Company is the Model T Elevator, where you can ride old-fashioned Model T cars. We are now in the Edison at Work district. The big gray building to the left is the Menlo Park Laboratory Complex from Menlo Park, New Jersey. That is where in October of 1879, Thomas Edison and his research team invented the first practical incandescent electric light bulb. Across the street, the big yellow building is the Sarah Jordan boarding house, also from Menlo Park, New Jersey, where all the single men who worked with Thomas Edison lived. The Sarah Jordan boarding house was one of the first private residences wired for electric lighting. We are now in the historic Porches and Parlor district, approaching the Ackley Covered Bridge. The covered bridge was built in 1832 in southwest Pennsylvania, where it crossed Wheeling Creek near the town of West Findlay, Pennsylvania. We're also at our first train stop, the Susquehanna train stop. Please remain seated until the train completely stops. Keep the chains up. I'll give you the all clear when it's safe to stand up. At this stop, those of you leaving us may exit on the left-hand side. Left-hand side only, please. That's where the train platform is at. This is the exit for the old-time baseball game across the street in Walnut Grove. Ladies and gentlemen, we're safe to exit.